the 2 units up here, my plan is I'm going to remove the living room floor
and we can check
and
this.
just put carpet in.
We'll see. Yeah.
I don't think that this is going to be an issue here. As you can see, we ripped out the lower part of the drywall here because of that porch. And we were able to see that there was no water intrusion that happened here. There's no mold, there's no mildew anywhere. So this unit is actually good the way that it is.
No, this is great, man. Paint and clean,
and this unit is the same. So again, everything from the outside was, you know, from there down. So it never affected anything up here, which is awesome. We didn't show you the other unit. We could go look at that next.
It's less.
That had floor issues that we actually took up the subfloor and replaced the subfloor there just because that water infiltration ruined all of that. So
nobody identified the porch as the problem. Once we identified that, that's what we do. We're great at that diagnosis. We've been general contractors for 30 years, each of us. So great history. We walk in, we know the problem on the outside. We fix that. Replace the doors is just an upgrade because we're going to have to do that anyway. So now you got roof replaced, the porch is replaced, the doors replaced, and everything else inside is newish. This will be maintenance free for quite a long time.
Yeah.
And we just throw this into the hands of a property manager and walk away and call it mailbox money.